Yes, hello, good morning. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend, tell a friend, how we again. Listen, this morning I come to say something, Come here, I come to burn a fire, Straight me, I tell you. Not as a Gaza fan, but listen, as a Jamaican, I got burn fire. You see me? Because yo, Bob Marley pitting them, a straight gatekeep them, a gatekeep better. You see me? Me not care what happened between Una and Vice Cartel. I want to think of the narrative of if Una make Vice Cartel win the Grammy, he gonna surpass Una father expectation. Because that's the only reason why Una hold on Vice Cartel. How Bob Marley Pitnam is the only reggae superstar kids that get, right, to choose Jamaican reggae artists to nominate them for the Grammy. That means that them have all of the power to tell the Grammy award who them think should win the Grammy. See? And this brother here now, when me see win the Grammy for best reggae album. Congratulations to you, brother. But listen to me, man. Him not deserve that. Him not deserve it. Him have one freestyle. What the world hear. Cartel been around for much years, brother. And this is the second year now when you do that Grammy. When you use Cartel, right? Put the man up the pan blood clot Grammy award to get support and all kind of things from people. You see me? Only if let down the funds them of this man. No one say a Bob Marley pitting them a control the blood clot nomination and the thing them. Only for go, man. Because Bob Marley and the bum buckler father don't feel like somebody can go around Jamaican culture. Eh? How long Bob Marley dead? Eh? I want to want Bob Marley to win everything and all of the Grammy them. And a fool camp alone win every Grammy at Jamaica. I come out of Jamaica for every year. Only if you go and move on the bum buckler. But you know Rasta. What part of you know Rasta? Eh? We not gatekeep for bum buckler Jamaican music. And go like, we are good people. We not walk up and down with dread pound head. Rasta pound head, but you not dread. We not blood clot dread. And fuck you now go out with a Jamaica. We the Bob Marley bum buckler pitney. We if you go, the whole of you now move on the bum buckler and stop fight the youth. I choose a particular par. We not fight against bum buckler cartel. You see me? Because there's no artist in Jamaica. None. Me not care who it is. Bumbuckler of the caliber music we Cartel have and deserve no fucking award. More than 5 Bumbuckler Cartel. And that's a straight music me attack. You see me? This man embodied the culture for the last 20 blood clot years, 13 years of prison, and dominate and come home. And still a try go around the man, brother. Bob Marley son pitney them on a blood clot wicked. What are now wicked? Move on the pussy hole and go. Global Watch Media. Tell a friend, how we again. Boom, boom, boom.